Hi, welcome again to my channel, TechBoy channel. Please don't forget to subscribe after watching the video. Today I'm going to discuss about the water relay problems in your dental unit. Okay, so how do you diagnose? Or how do you know that your water relay is not working or it's broken? Okay, so the first sign that your water relay is broken or not working is when you lift your handpiece like that, or sometimes it's here once you lift it from the handpiece hose holder, and water starts to drip, starts to come out even if you're not stepping on the foot control. That's a sign that you have a bad water relay. Okay, so once you put it like that, once you put your handpiece on the handpiece holder and water is not leaking, that's fine, but it's not gonna show, it's not gonna leak. But again, one symptom is once you lift your handpiece from the handpiece holder, or once you pull this is a European type, so it's like that, and you're not stepping on the foot control and water starts to drip here, starts to come out, then you have a water relay problem. Another problem is when you're using your handpiece and no water is coming out after checking the hoses, everything, the ball water, then the problem also is your water relay. Okay, now today I'm gonna show you how to replace the water relay. You could buy those online, those parts, you could buy those from DCI or eBay or just check it online stores. Okay, first thing you want to do is to replace this is turn the master switch. It looks like this. Turn your master switch off. Okay, and then next thing you want to do, is clamp this part here. Clamp this with needle hole like that. Make sure it's tight, and then cut this, and then I'm sorry I forgot to get the parts. I'm gonna show you how it looks. It looks like this, the water relay. Okay, so gonna be like that. So I cut that hose, this one, and then insert this like that. And then the next thing you want to do is cut this one, so one at a time, so you don't get lost. Okay, so you don't interchange it. And this one, make sure you push this one all the way in. Sometimes we have a sleeve here. All you need to do is push the sleeves here to make it safer. So that's how you do it. Okay, again, you could buy this online at online stores and then try it, see if it's gonna work. So I guess that's it for now. Thanks for watching.